Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to retrieve a window instance from a view only to hit a wall? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to get the window instance from a view in Android. I totally understand how annoying it is when you're trying to get something done and the documentation just doesn't seem to provide the answers you need. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I get the window instance after adding a view using the window manager?" They mentioned using methods like myView.windowID and myView.getWindowToken, but they couldn't find a way to retrieve the actual window instance. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal here? When you add a view to the window manager, it can be tricky to get back the window instance directly. Understanding how the window manager and views interact is key to solving this problem. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your views and windows more effectively. To retrieve the window instance from a view, the user should first understand that the window instance is not directly accessible through the view methods. Instead, they can use the window manager to manage their views. Next, the user can create a custom view class that holds a reference to the window instance. This can be done by overriding the constructor of the view and storing the window reference. After creating the custom view, the user should ensure that they pass the window instance when adding the view to the window manager. This way, they can access the window instance later. Finally, the user can access the window instance from their custom view whenever needed. This allows them to interact with the window as required. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android version was released in 2008? We've come a long way since then, but some challenges still feel like they belong to the early days. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that you cannot directly get a window instance from a view or the window manager. Instead, they suggest using the method myView.getDisplay to access the display to which the view's window is attached. Additionally, they mention that you can reorder the z-index of views using the methods view.bringToFront or view.bringChildToFront, viewChild. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by a user is to use the method myView.getDisplay. This method allows you to retrieve the display associated with the view. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep track of your window references when adding views. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to manage window instances effectively. Remember, keeping track of your references is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we tackle more Android development challenges.